Dear learners, welcome. We are going to learn about preschool education. Early childhood is defined as the period from birth to 8 years of age. In recent years, early childhood education has emerged as an area of high priority. Early childhood education has been included as a specific target in the context of Sustainable Development Goal or SDG. Target 4.2 of the SDG aims to ensure that all girls and boys, including those belonging to disadvantaged groups and with disability, health conditions, have access to quality early childhood development, care, and pre-primary education by 2030 so that they are ready for primary education. The first 6 years of life are critical in any child's lifespan since the rate of development is more rapid than at any other stage of development. The brain is most flexible and adaptable to learning during these early years. According to recent researchers in the field of neuroscience, 90% of the brain's growth occurs by the time the child is 5 years of age. This growth is influenced not only by the nutritional and health status of the child, but also by the psychosocial experiences and environment the child is exposed to during these early years. Therefore, investing in early years in the form of preschool settings, provisions, and programs are extremely important. Preschool is defined as any setting imparting education to children between 3 to 6 years, referred by any nomenclature such as Anganwadi, Balwadi, Nursery, Preschool, Preparatory, Pre-Primary, LKG, UKG. In India, preschool education is provided by all the three sectors, that is government, private, and NGOs. In government, it is mainly provided through Integrated Child Development Services or ICDS centers known as Anganwadis. There are a large number of private preschools which are generally unregulated and some NGOs that provide preschool education as social welfare for children coming from marginalized and disadvantaged sections. In the year 2017-18, 2 years of preschool education before class 1 has been added in the school education continuum under Samagra Shiksha by MHRD. Preschool education ensures holistic development of the child by attending to his or her social, emotional, cognitive, and physical needs, which in turn provides a solid foundation for lifelong learning and well-being. Experiences are provided in a natural, joyful, and stimulating environment using non-formal, playway, and activity-based approach. Preschool education ensures a smooth transition from preschool to early primary classes, leading to better performance and better retention rates. Listening, speaking, reading, writing, and numeracy are among the most important skills children learn. Earlier, literacy was thought to be the skill of reading and writing, which was taught to children when they were ready for it. Today, we understand that literacy emerges gradually in early years, when young babies hear sounds and have them repeated and encouraged by sensitive, caring adults. Later, when children get opportunities to see print in their environment, handle books, listen to stories, looking and talking about pictures, and making marks on sand and on paper, their literacy skills are refining and improving. This session provides an overview of preschool education, focuses on experiences and activities for holistic development, along with early literacy and numeracy, so that children have smooth transitions to primary grades. Involvement of parents in the preschool program is also highlighted.